Haven't really thought this through, have I? Now, I don't know if this has ever been done before. Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. Now, a few of you guys are asking for some kicking tips. I thought, you know what? Let's find a set of goals out here on the farm. Let's run through a few torpedoes, a couple of drop punts, maybe a few snaps around the corner. Let's go and find a set of goals. This is going to be challenging because these are that's... Oh, I need hawk, don't I? And people say I don't do gym. Maybe I'm thinking dribble kicks. I think the people want to see a few dribble kicks. Learn a few things off Eddie Betts back in the day. This is what I get up to the day after a game. Most days anyway. There we go, downhill's nice. A goal square is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's regulation size, isn't it? There's been a few comments floating around actually about my warm-ups out on field on game day, about how short they are. I don't tend to warm up too much. I don't really like warming up too much. I like to save it for the game, so it's working at the moment. All right guys, first kick of the day here is going to be the dribble kick. Now when I kick a dribble kick, running towards the boundary if you like, I like to support the ball underneath, so on the bottom. If the grass you're playing on is slippery and wet, it's going to skid a lot straighter. If it's dry, it's going to turn. So out here on the farm, it's quite dry at the moment. I'm expecting this to turn. It should be an easy kick. First kick, let's go. Oh no, Jerry, hit the post. It's a big post. It's a big post, but that is why I bought 3 footies from the club. Thanks to the guys down at the cattery, so probably won't return them. Probably shrugs him off, runs into it, sees the goals. Oh, I don't know if I can count that. Might have to get Tyson out here. Tyson or Brian Myers or Closey, I might have to get them out here to kick this for me. Under pressure, rolling away, pick it up clean and kick the dribble goal. There we go, folks, bang. Take number 1. We're just walking back here to set up the next goals, but I've seen a little gateway here. Let's have another dribble. Hop out of the way, Billy. Oh, did he smother that? Did you get a hand on that? We're gonna have to go to review there, mate. Oh, did you smother it or not? What a goal, if not. What we're gonna do down this laneway is kick a torpedo, one of my favourite kicks. I think everyone's favourite kick in footy. We need to bring back the torpedo. So there's a few little things when kicking a torpedo I like to keep front of mind. One is being relaxed. So get back off the mark, you're nice and relaxed. The second thing is, as you're coming in and you're about to hit the footy, or drop the footy onto your foot, I like to curl it a little bit. So just get the ball curling and then your foot's obviously gonna hit it and spin it even more. And the third thing I like to do is, what's the third thing? I forgot the third thing now. Oh yeah, kicking it at about 85%. I'm not actually trying to kick this 110% and really pump it out there. I think timing is important. So the timing of the football, stepping into it, nice and relaxed, going forward, getting it curling before it hits the foot. Watch out, cows. Oh, and that's just it. 4. Oh. Have a look at these cows. They've never seen a footy before. I need that, fellas. Move on. I don't know if I beat that last one. That was a beauty. Wipe off the cow slobber. Oh, where was that on the weekend? Oh, it's carried the fence too. It's with the torpedo. You'd be surprised because timing sort of overrides how hard you want to kick it. If you time it, you hit it perfectly, the ball will do the rest. Beautiful, on to the next. Actually, before we go, I've got an idea. We've all seen lamb cam. How about we try and whack a GoPro on the footy for barrel cam? This is going to be fun because I'm not going to be able to do this. Now, I don't know if this has ever been done before, and I'm not sure if it's ever going to be done again, but by the way, this is not how I did it with the lamb. All right, hold on guys, hold on. Oh, it's come straight off. I don't know if that GoPro is going to be finished. Like, that might have been its last hurrah. All right guys, so for this next one, I'm thinking a drop punt, a basic, easy, the easiest kick in football, a drop punt. However, I'm thinking we grab the basketball ring. All right, that took a little bit of work. Took a bit longer than I thought it would, but let's hope it stays on there. Come on, Bill. It's actually a longer kick than I thought. Yeah, that's a 30-metre kick. That's challenging across the water. Most people know how to kick a drop punt, let's be honest, but this is how I like to hold the footy. I actually hold the ball mostly in the front half of the footy, which a lot of people don't like. A lot of coaches early days didn't like it, but it works for me. So I think that's the important tip here. Whatever works for you, go with it. It's a chance. Oh, I was about to celebrate then, I tell you what. Swing. Oh, GoPro. Squish the ends down. I squish the ends down because quite often we play with brand new footies, and with a brand new footy, they're very pointy. I don't like the pointiness, so I round them off. That's all I'm doing here. So I'll round it off. I look at the footy, I flip it a few times. I pick the more rounded end, and then I just go through the routine, hopefully kick the goal. Oh my, that's not a, don't go in the water. Haven't really thought this through, have I? Come on, Jerry. That's it. That's it. That was the best one yet. I thought that was in, I was convinced. Come on, Jerry. Be the ball. Oh, did that go in? That went in. I'm pretty sure that went, did that go in? We're gonna have to review that. Well, guys, that was so close. I normally back myself to make those, I tell you what, and we were so close. We even reviewed a couple of those, but that basketball ring's gonna be there probably for the next 6 months, so we'll have to come back and revisit that. I still need to make that shot from across the dam. A bull ant is biting me on the ankle. Oh, hopefully you enjoyed that. We had a few different shots on goal out there through the hay bales. We had the torpedoes, we had the works. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to see some other different techniques on goal or other kicks, we'll try more trick shots. The dart loves trick shots, let's be honest. So let's make some of them next time. I need to go collect these footies. I'll see you again soon in another video.